Remember that becoming aware of this misalignment is just the first step towards creating positive changes in your life and designing your reality. But from there, take action. You got to take action. Take small steps, little adjustments each day that bring you closer into harmony with who you are, and personally and professionally. And really, we can't separate the two, can we? But when we hold on to old patterns, beliefs, or habits that are not in line with our true selves, we create resistance within ourselves. And this resistance can manifest as stress, anxiety, depression, or other negative emotions or reactions or behaviors and habits. So the not self will show itself depending on your human design. The not self shows itself as frustration, anger, bitterness, or disappointment. For my human design as a 5-1 manifester, my not self shows up as anger. And I get angry and I'm noticing it's really such a waste of energy. And in the past, whenever I have become angry, I have to recover from it. I lose all of my energy in such a quick, wasted burst, right? So when I identify these patterns and then actively working on reprogramming them, I was able to release this resistance. And now I use this anger to my advantage. And this is a powerful space to be. And this allows ourselves to live more authentically. We become better equipped to handle these challenges and make decisions that align with our values and our goals. So, integrating what no longer serves also allows us to let go of the past and move forward in a positive direction. But we're not just letting go of the past because our past has knowledge, wisdom, and understanding that we want to integrate. But letting go and reprogramming the reactions, the anger, the bitterness, the disappointment, the frustration, letting that go and using that to our advantage and moving forward in a more positive direction. So, this helps us develop greater self awareness and emotional intelligence. This is so needed right now because this is the foundation of the top 7 in demand soft skills for building healthy relationships with ourselves at the workplace and with others. So, these 7 soft skills are being able to work with a team, with effective teamwork. Teams are more productive, deadlines are met, relationships with your team members are stronger, and knowledge is shared. And other soft skills are problem solving, communication. Actually, communication is one of the top 3 issues that many corporations have within their hierarchy structure. And then adaptability, being able to adapt. We don't like change. So, how do you get your team to change? Critical thinking is a soft skill and very much needed. And then time management. We all struggle with this, but this is a soft skill that is very much needed and you can learn and develop it. And then number 7 is interpersonal. Interpersonal is however you interact with yourself is going to be seen how you interact with others. So these are the top 7 soft skills that corporations are seeking and are in demand that people have. So we can use this to our advantage. But ultimately, when we commit to reprogramming and integrating what no longer serves us, we open up space for new opportunities, for growth, for happiness, for peace, for fulfillment in all areas of our life, including increased confidence, clarity, and purpose. And this is so important today to have a clear purpose